Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cali. If you're new, be sure to click that subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified every single time I upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my Fenty mattifying primer and just putting that in my T-zone area where I get really oily. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I think the shade is Fair, but I'm just going to use that to set my eyebrows so that they don't move or slide throughout the day because my skin is very, very oily. I'm going in with my Morphe brow pencil in the shade Chocolate Mousse, and I'm just going to outline my brows. In this video, I actually was doing my makeup a whole different way. I've been watching a lot of different videos and figured I should try a new makeup routine. I will be using my LA Girl brow pomade to fill in any sparse areas on my brows. I actually really like the way that I did my brows because honestly, it was so much easier than trying to use the pomade because sometimes it just be looking scary or too dark. So I feel like this routine is actually very, very helpful. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut to just go ahead and carve out my eyebrows. I never ever do this routine, but I always see like MUAs do this, so I figured I would try it out. You don't want to apply the concealer too close to your brows though, because then it makes it difficult to blend out. I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics pointed brush. It's very dense, and I'm just using this to blend out all the concealer around my eyebrows. I'm taking my Maybelline concealer in the shade Tan and applying it to my eyelids to prime my eyes for eyeshadow and just to create a smooth, even canvas. Then I'm gonna go in with my sponge and blend everything out. I'm taking the shade Periodt from the Bretman Colourpop eyeshadow collab or whatever. And I'm taking my Rouge brush and I'm just packing this shade above my crease. And the reason why I'm packing it on instead of swiping is to get the most color payoff. I feel like whenever you buff it in at first, your eyeshadow ends up not being as pigmented. Now you want to start blending the eyeshadow using windshield motions just to make sure that you don't have any harsh lines. I'm taking the shade Thic from the Shayla palette and just using it to blend the outer edges of my eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with the first brush and just blending everything together. I'm going in with my Colourpop concealer to carve up my crease. And if you have hooded eyes like me, I suggest carving your lid out a little higher than where your actual lid stops. That way when you open up your eyes, people are able to see the color on your lid still. I'm taking the shade Lena from my Juvia's Place blush palette, and I'm placing it all over on my lid on top of the concealer. I really love this color. It's such a beautiful light pink. Just bomb. You want to go back in with the same brush we used in our crease and just blend the two eyeshadows together. And now I'm going in with the shade Cupcake from the Emily Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm just placing it on top of where I placed the other shadow. And then I'm gonna go in and line my lash line with, I don't know where this eyeliner is from, damn, I can't remember, but this is just so people don't see where our lash line, you know, starts or end, because we're gonna be putting on falsies. I'm also using my mink lashes I got from Amazon. Yo, listen, save your money. I got 3 pairs of those lashes for like $6. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution stick foundation in the shade F16. I absolutely love this foundation. It's so full coverage and it's so affordable. It's like $8. Like, girl, save your money and go get you this foundation because it's bomb as hell. I'm using my Maybelline concealer in the shade Tan to highlight. So I'm placing that under my eyes, my chin. And I tried to reverse contour, but y'all, I put it in the wrong place. So please do not be like me and place the concealer where I did, because that was completely wrong. You have to place it higher up. So yeah, my makeup turned out fine, but you know, just a tip. I'm going in with a bigger dense brush and just blending out the harsh lines. And I'm also using my foundation brush as well to help blend out all of those harsh lines. I'm using my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Ebony and just using that to contour my face. And I'm also going in with my beauty sponge and blending out my concealer once again. I really didn't want it to look cakey or creasy, so that's why I'm constantly going back in and blending and blending and blending. Also, the next time I'm gonna place my contour more straight. I feel like I slanted it way too much because I wanted it to give my face more structure, so I will definitely be sure to place it differently the next time, so like don't mind that. Now I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder and using it to set my face. I will not be baking today because it makes me look really ashy. I don't know why, it just makes me look cakey. I don't like it. So yeah, and then I'm gonna take a bigger brush and just blend the powder away. I'm going in with my Morphe Brontour and just using it to add some warmth to my face. I'm also going in with the brush I used to set my highlight with and just brushing away the powder, making sure everything is blended in together. And I'm just using the same Brontour and bronzing up my face. I'm using a pencil brush in the same shade we used in our transition area to go ahead and line my waterline. I really like adding eyeshadow in my waterline. I feel like it just brings the whole look together. If you don't like to do it though, you don't have to, but this is just how I like to do it. Blend, 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 blend. You really want to make sure you're blending your eyeshadow properly. Now I'm going in with the shade Bading and applying it in my inner tear duct to really open up my eyes. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place blush palette and taking the pink shade and just applying it above where I place like my contour. I'm using brow gel to set my brows. I don't usually do this, but felt like doing it today. Then I'm gonna go in with a brown lip liner from Colourpop and my Forever 21 gloss. And then I'm applying clear lip gloss on top to really make my lips pop. I'm using my Shayla Colourpop highlighter to go ahead and highlight my face. I believe it's in the shade Pose. I know my makeup looks hella crazy right now, but I'm telling you, it's just the angle of the camera, sis. But yeah, I'm going in with my Essence mascara and applying it on my bottom and top lashes to blend my falsies with my real lashes. This is the final look. I do not look ashy. I don't look dusty, crusty. I look like I'm ready to take the people their man. I look like I'm ready to accomplish great things. Edges laid, face beat. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and share with someone who might find it useful. Bye, guys.